Today is President's Day. It's Monday, February 17th at 11:34. And yes, the stock market is closed and the sheep cannot buy or sell a thing. And what is it they're buying and selling? Those are futures contracts. You see, folks, the banks are what trade. They trade in the futures markets. They're not about to get their clocks cleaned on a holiday, run that risk. They don't subject themselves to a gap down or a gap up in the morning, buying and selling stocks. No, sir. They are in the futures markets, and these babies are trading all the time. I'm Bag of Don at Stockmarketcaddie.com, and you are watching what we call the Swing Machine. The Swing Machine is our proprietary software running on the TradeStation platform. TradeStation, fantastic platform. But let us show you something else. This is the Swing Machine running the NASDAQ on a 1, 3, 5 minute on a line break chart with our proprietary software on the chart. These are our ball markers identifying the swing points, these green dots and these red dots. These are our higher pivots. When we get these big green dots, they're telling us that the market is pivoting and going higher. When we get red ones, it means the market is pivoting and going lower. This indicator down here is our proprietary indicator called the SMC. SMC, by the way, is Stock Market Caddy, the GPS near indicator. It is a momentum indicator. When it's above the zero line, you want to be long. When it's below the zero line, you would want to be short or out of the markets. It also shows you the ebb and flow of the dips and the buys. This little tool is called the SMC, Stock Market Caddy Pocket Caddy. When it is green, you want to be long. When it is red, you'd like to be short. You might use the little red bars just as an opportunity to ring the cash register. You see, folks, we don't leave anything to chance. We are mapping out our trades. Let me show you something else. Very, very cool. And we're going to come here to our studies and strategies. And the strategy that we're running on this particular chart is a strategy that we call the SMC TPC long entry. SMC TPC short entry. The strategy will enter and exit on the chart all by itself. How does that perform? Well, let's take a look. Let's go to the data. Let's go to the strategy performance report. Over the last couple of months in a backtest environment, this is what that equity curve looks like. Now, does a backtest mean that's how you are guaranteed to perform in the future? No. No backtest can say that. We cannot know what's going to happen in the future, and based on what's happened in the past, things can change. But the beautiful thing about having a strategy with a measurable backtest is that we're able to model that strategy and compare our trading results to that model, and so that we can make course corrections as we go. And we are also free, when using the radar, the Swing Machine, to come in and take profits early and or limit our losses. To that extent, having a strategy like the TPC is kind of like having a race car. You decide when to make the turns. You decide when to tap the brakes. You can turn out at any time. I'm Bag of Don at Stock Market Caddy. If you'd like to talk to me today, any day, any evening, any weekend, feel free to give me a call. 813-758 8263. Our members, our base members, get a video view of all the markets and all of our algos every night. Not me drawing trend lines and looking at moving averages and crap that doesn't work. If you want to trade full-time and become a professional trader, you might look at our website and look at what we call the Jumpstart School. We have a Jumpstart program, a school. It's 4 weeks. You get an opportunity to kick the tires, to see what we're all about, to see not just this strategy, but dozens of others, indicators as well. You have 4 weeks to watch the swing machine, ask questions about the swing machine, trade the swing machine. We recommend in simulation, and we're available to answer your questions. In addition to that, you also receive in excess of 20 videos over an hour each that are going through everything that we have built. We're trying to demystify the markets for you and put control back into your hands. Now, the other important dimension of the Jumpstart program is that it gives you an opportunity to see if trading is in fact for you. Does it fit into your life? You see, we do well, but not everybody is meant to be a trader. Not everybody can trade successfully. People can and do lose large sums of money. We try our best through using such tools and tools at TradeStation to mitigate that risk and to try to take the negative outliers off the table. But more important than that, trading shouldn't be an all-encompassing endeavor. We always recommend to our newest members, you've got to find a balance. Family first, your primary income second only to family, and trading someplace below that. We recommend that you trade in simulation first, risking no real money. If you cannot make money or you cannot learn the principles of trading and building an equity curve in simulation, then you can't do it real. So there is really no reason to lose money as you are learning, as you are kicking the tires for what we can offer, and more importantly, learning whether or not trading is in fact something that you should be doing. So with that, we just say, check out our website. Feel free to give me a call. Happy to talk with you. And if you're getting it done wherever you are, stay there. If you're not, we're here. Don Marshall, 813-758-8263. Happy President's Day.